Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. Here's you again, your boy JJ, right here at JJ's PC Builds. We're going to get today started. We're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to look upon, cabling for inside your computer. We're going to go to cablemods. We're going to look on their site and see what kind of cables they got just for your PC to decorate it and whatever else. Also, too, we're going to put a shout out to Cable Mod for the awesome job they done on their cables. Good shout out. But first, we got to get this B-roll started, so do enjoy yourself right here on JJ's PC Build. And welcome back through that B-roll. Well, let's go ahead and flip the script a little bit and get it right started. We're going to go ahead and just shoot right over and see what's going on. cablemods.com. There we go. So this way y'all can see what I'm doing here. Okay, so they got a product list. Basically, you can go through and see what kind of products they got. They got different kind of products. They got many selections. This is like a dream. Like if you want to do a configurator, they got a configurator on here. You got okay, got it. Let's say you want to do PSU custom cables, or you want to do extension cables and stuff like that. So we're going to go right into this configurator so y'all can see what it's all about and, take a look at what's going on. So let's say we want to do PSU cables or custom extension cables, which my PSU is non-modular, so it doesn't have where you can remove anything. So we could do the PSU cables, but I'd rather do it with this one, the custom cables extensions, and we continue to the next step. And then they got the Modi Flex, the Modi Mesh. Let's say we do a black, and we do, I like blue. See, the thing is, I like blue. We'll do a blue. Well, it only lets you pick one. Well, hell. I thought that was like two different ones. Let's see. I did. You know what? I'm going to go with the blue Modi Flex and see what that's going to come up as. And then, you got the classic and the pro. And you know what? We're just going to look at the classic and see what it's going to cost. And keep moving on down the road. Okay, so we're at number 4 right now. So select the cables. You got the 24 pin. And you can add. Well, hell, it doesn't give you the note of doing more than one cable. Guys, when you do a configurator like this, you got your cables for your graphics card, you got your cables for your the power end hookup for your processor, and you got the 24 pin you can use for the 24 pin connector, but you're giving us only one at a time. It should be like as many cables as you want to add as a package. I mean, it says the cable length. Um, I don't see. I don't see anywhere that says where the cable length is. It says add cable. Right here. Please note only one cable may be added and configured. Okay, well, if you're doing a whole package, then this configurator's making no sense. I mean, you got a 300 cable. Okay, this isn't making any sense. Where do you show the length of the configuration? See, that's the thing. So, so, you know, and you pick your own colors, you know, for the 24 pin, you got blue and black. Well, you only can pick one color? What the hell? Huh. Well, it's kind of confusing just to first say, but I'm sure in time that they'll have it to where you can kind of deck it up a little bit better. But you're given a lot of accessories, and I will give you this. It is a good site, but the thing is the problem I'm having is you know um, we're going to go back to the beginning in the basics, and we're just going to go to the products. You know, right here. That's for the 4090. You got it at $100. Okay, you know your basic cable set. If you guys are going to do a basic cable set, you know, if you do the classic series, you know, classic extension kits. Okay, you can do. Looks like they got the red ones, the green ones, the black and white ones. Just to say you want to do a classic extension cables. See, this tells you the description. This will save you a lot of headache and time to go through. Basically, this tells you what's in the package. One 24-pin ATX, one 8-pin EPS, and one 4x4 EPS extension, one 8-pin extension, one 6-pin extension, and three 24-pin combs. You got 9 8-pin cable combs, and you got 3 6-pin cable combs. Okay. Now they got out of stock, but it depends on where you want to get it. But it looks like they got the black and blue. I like that, the way that looks, the black and blue for $30. The black and blue looks good for $30. I'll tell you what, I like that right there. That's nice. That is nice right there. This is for this looks like it's for a non-modular power supply. I could be wrong. It could be for a modular power supply, but I'm sure CableMod will get with me because I have one of these Thermaltake 850 watt power supplies, that's non-modular, but I'm sure they make non-modular cables as well. But that just gives you an idea if you want to use like a modular. This looks like a modular set, for like, your more decent, you know what I mean. I'm not going to get into it, but it's looking like that. If you get a set like this, you get it for $30. I mean, that's not probably including shipping or anything else, but you can always ask, you can always ask Cable Mod to do a special set for you. I'm sure they'll do a special set. But also too, make sure y'all can find them on Twitter as well. Make sure you hit them up on Twitter. This is right here. It's at Cable Mod. That's their site on Twitter, so you can hit them up if you want to see what's going on with Cable Mod. But they do a good job. They did a great job on the 4090 cables and stuff like that. So just to let you know, I mean, they got keyboard cables, they got the Superior Pro coils, and, they probably got the straight ones too. I like those connectors. Those look awesome. They got different colors and stuff like that. Y'all can be really creative when it comes to the cabling. If you want to deck your computer out a little bit, and they do have a compatibility chart, if you got like thermal take, looks like they got, oh, well, I don't have the tough power. That's the thing. I don't have the tough power. I'll reach out to Cable Mod and see if they can do a special set for mine. Because I kind of like my power supply, and I don't want to change my whole power supply just to put special cabling on. You know what I mean? So we'll have to shoot them an email or something and see what they can do. What kind of cables they can create for my set, because I'd love to see what they can create. I'm sure they can create a good set, just to let you know on that. But anyway, I'm not going to let this video get too long, because I'm going to be bringing up something, just because y'all forgot something. Here we go. Okay. I told you all 2 weeks ago I was going to showcase on Friday, which is today, y'all's builds. But the thing is this: nobody emailed or nobody got into my Twitter. So I really don't have anything to show for this week. But we're going to try again on Friday next week. If y'all want me to, review your builds, and put it up onto one of my videos, which I'm going to try to do them on Friday, if you got an awesome build, excuse me, send them in. Send them into my email or send them into my Twitter. I'll be more than happy to take and showcase it right here. The only trick is you got to be subscribed in order for, me to showcase your build. But, I'll be a good guy on the first time this will be the first time me doing this, of showcasing people's builds. I'm going to leave it opened up to everybody. So next week, get your build in and what your description is, and let me know what kind of build you have. If it's AMD or it's Intel, doesn't matter, either or. So if you want to show your build up on the channel, send it in. Send it into my Twitter or email me, or however that goes. Because you got 2 ways to get them in there, and it's good enough for me. I'll be more than happy, just as long as you put your name on it and a description of what your build's about. That's all you need to do. Take a picture, a couple pictures of your builds, put a description on it, boom, done. But anyway, make sure you like and subscribe. We're still trying to get to the 1,000 subscriber mark, and we're still trying to get to the 4,000 hour mark. So make sure y'all get, subscribe. It would be much appreciated. It would help the channel tremendously. The more, the merrier. So, and the ones that are here, and I do welcome y'all once again to the family, the ones that have subscribed. So, getting down to the brass tacks, just to let you know, December the 13th is going to be the rollout for AMD's new graphics cards. We'll try to keep you up to date as soon as the closer we get to the 13th, which is in 4 more days. So we're getting close to the 4 more day mark. So the closer we get, we'll get you more information out there, just to let you know. But until the next time, this is JJ, your boy. We will see you on the next one.